Welcome to my game. It's a fun game, actually. I actually love playing this. This took me a lot of time. Well, if you want to see it, then go to my channel, FGTVL0. Go to View Profile, go to Creations, then click on Funny Game. If you want to see more information, go to my game. It has cool designs and more things. Also, there may be an update on my game, but I'll update it for a while. See you, and bye bye. Well, I'm gonna post the next video tomorrow.